Hey, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I killed my no-buy. I'm so sorry. But last week, somebody came out with something that I had to buy. I couldn't help it. Well, you know, it is what it is. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you see what broke my no-buy, and I can't wait to show you. So again, this is Jennifer. I'll see you in a minute. Woo! Diamond Art Club. So I purchased this last Saturday during the new release time, and I'm really excited to show you what is inside. I shouldn't have bought it. I'm somewhat on a no-buy because I bought a bunch. I'm opening it off screen just a second. I opened a bunch or ordered a bunch of diamond paintings several weeks ago, and they're taking forever to get here because they're from overseas. And I told myself I am not buying anything until I get them because I am drowning in diamond painting stuff in my little tiny corner. And it's funny because there's only room for me to sit now. I had to get this one. All right. As you can see, it does have the square and the blue, and you can tell right away because they have the blue photo here that it is going to be a square. The last couple I have purchased of new releases have been round, so I'm very excited this is square. You can also see it says how it works. It has what is in the kit right here. Are you guys ready? It is each tree has a soul. This is a square with AB. It's a 28 by 18 inch, which translates into a 71 by 46. And it is by Olha Darchuk. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on, so I'm trying to read from a distance. And this was $49.99. And the little thing they have on the website is appreciate the difference in diversity in this colorful painting of rainbow trees. For every breathing being has a unique soul to be celebrated. And I just thought, because I work at an international organization, I work with refugees, and this just spoke to me about diversity and loving culture and honoring differences. I just needed to get it. And I love color. I love trees. If you guys were along the ride with me for the couple of paintings I've done with trees, I love trees. I did Tree of Life by Mandy Manzano, and I also had a mystery painting tree, and for Christmas I had a tree, Winter Wonderland tree. I kind of am a tree-aholic. So this has 47 colors. Looks like it has 4 ABs. Wow. I think that's the most Diamond Art Club does. I don't know. You correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe it depends on the artist. Maybe they tell the artist we only do this many ABs. Who knows? All right. Forgive the noise in the background. My husband is cleaning. He's on a cleaning spree. I know, a man who vacuums. You guys are all jealous. So it comes with 2 heart waxes, a clear tray. It comes with a few baggies. It comes with a single placer and the sharp tweezers. Be careful, they do stab and hurt. It comes with a squishy and a 3 placer. The squishy goes on your single or on your pen for ease. I personally send them to my daughter's school for the kindergartners and the first graders. And I keep thinking, I wish, because of all the toolkits I have, I wish I could have like a $1 coupon and I don't need a toolkit. I don't know how they would do that because they vacuum seal them, but it's just an idea. All right, we're gonna look at these colors first. It does have the canvas number on, and each tree has a sole, so if you separate them, you can easily find them. Crinkle crinkle alert. We're gonna open this and see the beauty. I'm not gonna unravel completely because I'll never be able to get it back on. But we can have a little bit of fun. Look at all these vibrant colors. Oh, I'm so excited. Like I said, it was 47 colors. And it's always fun to dive in and see where the ABs are. So we've got a yellow AB. This is square. I believe Diamond Art Club was the first one to have square ABs. Let's see, where else? I want to say it was a pink one. Okay, no, not that pink. Not that pink. Where are you? Oh, there we are. There's the pink AB. And then I did the yellow, and then there's the, no, not that green. There's a green AB in here somewhere, supposedly. And a purple. Oh dear. You're gonna make me unravel you, aren't you? You're just hiding. You're like, I wanna hide. I don't want you to find me. I don't want you to find me. I don't want you. Oh! Oh, it's missing. I'm gonna have to notify them. The greens, like I said, it went hiding. So 135 is not in there. So I am going to have to tell them, but they have amazing customer service, so I'm not worried. And then this is why you do check when you first open, so that you can make sure to talk to them. And then, oh, I guess 155 is below 150, so this purple is not AB. But I will be contacting them about the 135. But yes, definitely I'm going to go through this. I usually do it off camera so you guys don't get bored. But I'm going to go through this and just make sure all the colors are here. And I just highly recommend that. Even with great companies, things happen. Machines malfunction. And you just never know. They could have looked up while they were packaging and didn't even think. Sometimes you rely on your machine so much and how great they are that you don't expect them to malfunction. So, but they have great customer service. I'm not worried at all. Okay, so this is the beautiful canvas. Oh my gosh, guys. This is phenomenal. It is better in person than on the screen. So you've got your purple and your blue, green, your yellow, your red, and your pink. I absolutely love it. You get your how-to in case you're a newbie or you're giving it away as a gift. They do poured glue, and they have their self-flattening canvas. They do serge it on the edges. You have your key on both the left and the right. They have moved where the thumbnail is, so it is down here in the pasting area, because Diamond Art Club does have a couple partials. Partial means there's areas of the canvas that you do not drill. And this has the name and who designed it, which I love that they've added that. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Okay, so where are some of the ABs going? Let me get this out. So number one is going, it's pink. So it's going here in these trees. And then you've got two, it's going here in this tree. And then three is here in this tree. So I might do a little bit of the other trees just to balance it out. So no tree feels left out. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna have to look at the colors and see if Tina has some of those colors, because I don't have a lot of ABs from Tina. I'll leave down below. There's DP with sparklers if you want to get your own ABs and bling out your lovely painting, you can. And I'm super excited. I love that they did gray in the background versus white. It's gorgeous. And it's like they're by the water, so you get a nice reflection. So this is absolutely phenomenal. You get your Diamond Art Club back, which feels like a velvet meets suede. Absolutely amazing. So I am going to go see what I have on the docket and how quickly I can get this into the queue, because this is amazing. It has trees, it has colors, it speaks to my heart. Each tree has a soul. Amen on that. And tell me what you think down below. Comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, be blessed, take care, and I'll see you soon.